Hello guys, this is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy a virtual phone number that you can use to verify your WhatsApp, to have WhatsApp foreign account, Telegram foreign account, Signal, Zangi and lots more, even Google Voice account, so that you can have it, you know. So without no further delay, let's dive into the video. As you can see here, you are going to click on the buy number. Once you click on buy number, you can choose global pro or USA server depending on what you want. So since I want to buy a USA number, I will choose USA server. Once I choose USA server, it redirected me to here that I should choose a country. Specifically only USA is available there and I choose it. Then it's going to list all the available services that are for me to buy. So I'm going to search for WhatsApp. So as you can see, WhatsApp has been seen and the number here is showing that I should buy WhatsApp for 2,325 naira. So I'm going to click on buy. So once I bought the number is generated for me, and then I'm to go into WhatsApp to go and use the number to open the WhatsApp that I want to use it for. So let's head over to WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp that I've reached here. So I'm going to type in the number. So I'm going to click on next. Yes, it's correct. Yes, it's correct. As you can see, they said they are sending an OTP code. Now the OTP is going to be on the website. Remember, this is where we buy the WhatsApp. As you can see, the OTP is here. So let me copy the OTP and go back to WhatsApp and paste the OTP right there. As you can see, I've been verified and I was able to log in to this WhatsApp foreign number. Should I say foreign account? So it's simple as ABC. That's how to use the platform to get any number of your choice. So I want to test the number if it's okay, if it's really good. So let me just send the message. So let me send the message to myself. So as you can see, basically the number has been used to open WhatsApp is there. So I want to use it to chat so that you can see that it works fine. As you can see, it send message and it's a foreign WhatsApp number. As you can see right here, the about, as you can see, the phone number is here. So you don't have to panic. And remember, once you are unable to get a code, if you are unable to get a code, that means the money that they deducted from your account will automatically be credited back to your account since you did not perform any action on the number that you bought. So you are going to be refunded 100%, 100% refund. You are going to get it. So if you like this video, don't forget to share, like and comment. See you in my next video. Peace out.